Guys, in this lecture we're gonna talk about the hashtag strategy. So what I'm using as my hashtag strategy, if we go to the Instagram account, and let me just show you the full screen here, and if we pick any of my posts, you can see there's hashtags here. Most of time I'm actually pick each hashtag. I do the research, which one is the higher, which one is lower hashtag. So the way you do this, if you just go to the search, and we are in a search tags here, and let's say I search for the niche running. So the running hashtag has 36 million posts, which is very high hashtag. This is you call the high hashtags with a high number of posts. This one will be lower. It's not very low, but it's much lower, 216,000. You have 500,000 here, and we go down and search even lower, and let's say even 20,000 here post. So you search the running group 17,000, 16,000. You know, everything is around the niche running, but it's got to do actually with the amount of posts. So this is the kind of lower hashtag, and I mix those lower hashtags post with the higher one. So let's go to the higher one just to show you example. If I do my post now and I use the hashtag running, my post will be in this area, most recent. And now the algorithm trigger how many likes, comment is engagement in a specific time. So as soon as possible, people gonna click likes and engage in a short time. This post will be very popular, and then might go to the top post on this kind of the feature board, basically. So to be here, your post need to be very popular. So if we click any of those posts, if I click one of those, you can see 9,000 likes and 217 comments. So because it's popular, that's why it's on the top post board. So, and if I post my one, for example, they will go down very quickly because there's a lot of competition. It's a lot of people posting and using the same hashtag running. So it's hard for you to stay there. That's why the people choosing the right time, the right moment to post, so they can be triggered, popular, and raise up very quickly. But if you mix with the lower hashtags, let's get like let's say I will be used, for example, running free. If I use this hashtag compared to another one, I have a bigger chance to stay here on the top and be visible for next couple of hours compared to just seconds go down very quickly. So I hope you understand this. When you mix this lower one with the highest one, on the higher hashtags, your post will disappear very quickly. In the lower one, we stay for quite a long time, and good chance to stay on the top post here. And as you grow, as your account grows, you change those hashtags. You stop using basically lower one if you here most of time, and it's easy for you to get to be on the top post, but it's limited traffic to your post as well. So this way you need to do your research, and at the beginning you want to mix very low, kind of like 10,000 post hashtags, you know, with 1 million hashtags. So mix high and low in the same niche. If I'm looking at the running niche, running category, I will use the word running, runners, running groups, all those kind of hashtags, and I will mix them, and this way it's gonna bring me a lot of engagement and the new followers as well. So look at this way, just test it, and most people, they just using the very high hashtags, like over a million, over 10, 20 millions, but then the post is disappearing. In a couple of seconds you got a couple of likes, you know, views, and then it's just gone away in the next 5 minutes. But if you mix lower and higher, those higher will disappear, but the lower hashtag will stay for quite a long time. So try this strategy and see how it works for you. So thank you very much for watching this lecture, and let's move to another one.